Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are making matcha lattes. I am going to take you through my process of how I make them and show you all the products that I use. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get on into making matcha.
Okay, so first off, we're gonna grab our mug and our matcha, of course. Also, ignore my nails. They need to be painted very badly. So I'm adding 2 of these little scoops of the powder into my little mug. And to that, I am going to add some hot water. And then once I have enough water to cover the matcha, I'm going to take my whisk and I'm going to use an M motion to mix the two together. So some of the reasons why I love matcha is that it is a plant-based superfood that contains just 16 milligrams of caffeine per serving versus the typical 95 milligrams a cup of coffee has. And it contains 42 milligrams of antioxidants per serving. All right, so once those two are blended together real nice, it is time to add our milk to our frother. So I'm using hemp milk. You can use any kind of milk you'd like. Plant-based milk doesn't froth as well as regular milk does, but you do you. So I got this frother off of Amazon. I will link it below, but I just added milk to the second line and then push the on button. So out of all the plant-based milks I've tried, I did find that hemp blends the best and it froths up really nice. So here I am just adding a little more hot water to my mug because I thought it needed a little more liquid mixed with the matcha. So once my milk is all done frothing, which here we are, look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, you guys. So once I am done with mixing everything together, I'm going to add my milk to my mug and just wait. Oh my gosh. It looks like absolute heaven. It really truly does. I haven't tried mastering like the cute little designs on the top yet, but maybe someday. So I am, however, going to add some cinnamon, and I like a lot of cinnamon, but you can put as much as you want. I just use the organic whatever I have on hand. And like I said, I add a generous amount of cinnamon on top. I think it looks so nice. And then after my cinnamon, I am taking some raw honey and I'm going to drizzle that right on top as well because I like a little bit of sweetness. You don't need to add anything. I think it's good both ways, but just a little drizzle of honey really does do it justice. So this is the finished product. I cannot tell you how good this was. When I took that first sip, I think it's the best one I've made so far. So also when you're making matcha, make sure you get a nice like quality grade matcha. I use the Navitas Organics one. I just find that it has a really good flavor compared to other ones. So, but yeah, guys, I think that completes this video. I hope you found this helpful on how to make matcha at home. Comment down below if you prefer matcha over coffee or vice versa. But yeah, guys, this completes the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.